Hello, welcome back to the Mad Hatter channel, where everything is not how it seems. Today, we're back with the Mini. If you don't know, if you look past in previous videos, this is a 1.8 K series turbo Mini. Today, we're going to have a look at the engine, going to strip engine parts off it, inspect them, see how we get on, see whether they're good, bad, or whether we need to buy new ones. What we're going to start with is going to take this pipe off here. I've already loosened this Jubilee clip and that Jubilee clip, so it should pop off like that. And then that's what someone else has done. Don't know if it's original, but we'll double check, see whether it is. And we're going to disconnect this clip like that to the sensor, and then we've got to come around here and you can just see I've got to take off that nut there, and then there is another nut down here to take off, and then that will release the plenum. We're also going to undo this nut here to remove the throttle cable. It goes round there, and then we should be able to take this off. Right, so one of these extension bar with a 10mm on it, and then make sure we're going the right way. And loosen that bolt off. Loosen that bolt off. Loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. Cool, now they're all loosened, we'll go around and we'll take all the bolts off. Like that. The next one, got 3 more to do, and then it should come off. Last one, and then it's just the throttle cable, and we should better put it off, hopefully. Right. Spanner. It's a 13mm nut, so just loosen this off. Slide out of the way. So as you can see, a little bit fiddly, but this, it's got a slide. out of there like that, and then that's removed right out of the way, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, we can pick, well, hey, one plenum off. Right, that's all of them taken off. So this will lift it to here. We're going to take these two bolts out here. There's an 8mm. Take these two out. Right. Just give it a bit of a wiggle with a screwdriver, and there you go. One sensor is out. Put that to one side, and we can move this plenum off the car. Now, as I can see, there's a new gasket because that's split. That's going to let air in, and the air to fuel mixture is all going to be wrong. So you can see what's going on. We've got an 8mm bolt here to undo. We've got another 8mm bolt here to undo, and that's holds this fuel rail on. So once we've done that, hopefully we can get the fuel rail off. Both bolts are out. They're 8mm. We've got two bolts on the end here. They're also 8mm. So they're easy enough. Look at that. Wonderful. Wiggle that out a bit. And it should come out. Like that. This rubber O-ring on the end looks good, so probably won't replace that. Right, hopefully the injectors will just pull out like that. Now I am replacing these injectors for VXR, so Corsa VXR ones, as the tuning company I spoke to recommend that they are a better injector to put in, as I am planning to go to about 250 horsepower with this engine, but we'll see what goes on. Well, take that out of the way, and then right, to take off the rest of this intake manifold, there is 1, 2, 3 13mm nuts, and then you've got 1, 2 10mm bolts. There is 4 nuts behind every one of these. It's a 13mm nut. Now I'm not going to be taking them off because I've got to strip this head off because there's oil leaking in cylinder 1 and I need to find out why. Okay, what we're going to do is we've got 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. These hold the coil packs in, so we need to get rid of them, and then we need to get rid of the cam sensor that's just here. loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. Okay. So one's set out. So pull the spark plug lid out. Pull the other spark plug lead out, and as you can see, this coil does this cylinder and this cylinder, and this coil does this cylinder and the end cylinder. So, screw the nuts back in so I know where they are. That one pops out. We'll shove that lot over there for now. Right. Now the cam sensor is located here. That is also an 8mm. So 5mm ratchet. And we'll just loosen that off. Cam sensor just wiggles out like that, and then if you release it from its clip down here, then that can go over to one side. That'll do for now. Join me next time when we delve deeper into the engine and see why I've got an oil leak into cylinder 4.